Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ruby here, you guys. Today I am going to do a eye look from this XX Revolution of London, and it's X Majesty. You guys, look at this color. They are so beautiful in this palette. I really do love this color. I love color as always. That color that I'm using, you guys, it blends smoothly, really nice, and the eyes is a matte color. I do not have any problem with it, you guys. It blends so nicely on the eyes. So then I am going in with that color with a little bit of shimmer underneath my brow bone, and then I'm going back into this color. It looked like an orange color, but it also looked like a yellow, but it's beautiful and it's very soft matte color. Now you guys, you can see I'm blending it. I don't get any follow. Now I am going to go into that purple with the next side of the brush, and you can see that purple. That purple is amazing. It's beautiful, you guys. That purple blends so nicely. It's also a matte shade, you guys, which is really nice, you guys. And you can see I'm going in on the outer corner of my crease with that color, which is so beautiful. I love color. So I was thinking of going out, and although I didn't get to go, I just decided to do this eye look. It's been a while since I do an eye look because of my moving, but now that I am almost finished packing out, now I can start go back doing some makeup on the side there, you guys, which is really nice. It's take me a while to really get things in order. I still have a couple of things left, not much to do, but I know I can do sometime, get around and do some makeup or haul or whatever. It's some skincare, you guys. So you can see I'm working that same purple on my eyes. It's beautiful, you guys. I really love this color. So then I am going back in another shade there, which I am putting it underneath my brow bone. Then I'm gonna go in that color, and I'm gonna put it on the inner corner of my eyes, which has a little bit of glitter, not much, but it still doesn't really fall out on the eyes. So you can see I am working my inner tear duct with that brush, you guys. And these brushes are amazing. They are from Murphy, and Murphy really have some beautiful eyeshadow brush. So then I am going back in with the purple there to make sure that I don't leave any hash line on my eyes there, you guys. But this color, I'm telling you, I'm enjoying this eyeshadow palette, you guys. So I am going back again, and I'm going into my inner tear duct. I use a couple of these shades which really blend good. I'm not saying that everything gonna blend good. I don't know until I really use all the rest of this color. Usually when I use the eyeshadow palette, it takes me a while to take it up back. So now I don't usually put eyeshadow underneath my waterline there, but when I have a good day like today, I can do it. If I don't put it on there, because if I wake up in the morning and my eyes start to run water, I do not really use eyeshadow underneath my eyes. I prefer using a pencil eyeliners, but for today I am having a good day with my eyes, so I can also just use the color underneath my eyes, you guys. So this is the final look, you guys. Not too much eyeshadow, but it's look really natural on the eyes, and they blend really good, you guys. I just wanted to see how this eye color look, and these are the color, you guys. They are beautiful colors. I love these colors. It's a good thing sometimes you don't really have time to sit around and really do things that you love. So I just want to say thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Stay blessed, stay safe, and I will see you in my next upload. Ciao.